our first good snow. It's November 30th. Maybe it's the 31st. I think it's the 30th. It's November, end of November. You can see one of the neighbors. The Melchevians are out in the snow already. Out playing around. Hear them out there plodding away at the snow. It's that light, the brightest light right there. Love it when the trees are coated like this. It just is an awesome wintry mix right through here. With how it just hangs right on the pine trees. Yeah, I did this morning here. Right through here, I went ahead and drove the Mini through the snow. Did my first snow circle. See me walking backwards. And fresh snow. Fresh snow. It's real quiet. Generally people don't want to get out in the snow, but I do. Follow the tracks back. It's actually really cold out, I bet you. It's probably in the 30s, but it doesn't feel like it. It feels like it could be in the 40s maybe.